They say you can't tell the players without a program. While the balloons are pretty whether you know the pilot's name or not, having a program is a great way to learn more about the balloons. Packed with pictures and information about our balloons, there are also great articles relating to Balloon Fiesta. This year, you'll be able to learn all about Balloon Fiesta's competitive events and how they've evolved over the years. Find out how high flying goes underwater. Celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Special Shapes and the 40th anniversary of the Double Eagle 2 crossing of the Atlantic Ocean. Go behind the scenes of Balloon Fiesta Live and see what it takes to put the world's premier balloon event online. And see how you can get involved with Balloon Fiesta, from being a landowner to a navigator to helping create a commemorative postage stamp. And if you buy your program from our service organizations all along Main Street, they get a percentage of the cost of the program. So pick up an official souvenir program today.